Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 31. So without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. What are the three muscle tissue? Skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles include muscles commonly called biceps, triceps, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Cardiac muscle tissue is found only in the heart. Smooth muscle tissue provides tension in the blood vessels, control pupil dilation, and aid in peristalsis. What are the 7 categories of tissues? Epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, blood tissue, bone tissue, and cartilage tissue. Tissues in which cells are joined together tightly. Epithelial tissue. Skin tissue is an example. Helps support and move the body. Muscle tissue. The 3 types of muscle tissues are smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. May be dense, loose, or fatty. It protects and binds body parts. Connective tissue. Cells called neurons form a network through the body that control responses to changes in the external and internal environment. Nervous tissue. Some send signals to muscles and glands to trigger responses. Transports oxygen to cells and removes wastes. It also carries hormones and defends against disease. Blood. A hard tissue that supports and protects softer tissues and organs. Its marrow produces red blood cells. Bone. The 11 major organ systems are: 1. Integumentary system. 2. Respiratory system. 3. Cardiovascular system. 4. Endocrine system. 5. Skeletal system. 6. Muscular system. 7. Digestive system. 8. Excretory system. 9. Immune system. 10. Nervous system. And 11. Reproductive system. Name the 3 primary body planes. Transverse plane, sagittal plane, and coronal plane. Transverse plane. Horizontal plane divides the patient's body into imaginary upper or superior and lower or inferior or caudal halves. Sagittal plane. Divides the body or any body part vertically into right and left sections. The sagittal plane runs parallel to the midline of the body. Coronal plane. Frontal plane that divides the body or any body structure vertically in front and back, anterior and posterior sections. Proximal. Structures closer to the center of the body. The hip is proximal to the knee. Distal. Refers to distance or structures further away from the center of the body. The knee is distal to the hip. Anterior. Front. Posterior. Back. Medial. Nearer to the middle of the body. In anatomical position, the little finger is medial to the thumb. Lateral. To the side and is opposite to medial. Hello friends, thank you very much for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.